Welcome to 10761 Trailblazer Way in Pensacola, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bathroom home, just under 2,300 square feet. And this home is very new, just built 2 years ago in 2018. As you can see, we have a lovely craftsman style with a nice outdoor covered porch here with brick exterior. We also have a keyless entry pad here, as well as an alarm system in this home, ready to go. So coming into the foyer here, on the left-hand side, we have the garage entry on the left. First, I'm going to take you right into the kitchen. We have beautiful granite countertops in here with dark cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a walk-in pantry as well. Plenty of space in here. This pantry goes back quite deep, as you can see here. Lots of storage space in that pantry. Ample counter space in here. We have an electric cooktop and a built-in microwave. A garbage disposal as well in this home. Nice breakfast bar here with some pendant lighting. Nice open spacious floor plan here. You can see we're right open to the dining area, which flows nicely into the living room. We have some lovely added detail with this tray ceiling in the living room, as well as an electric fireplace. In this home, we have blinds throughout as well. I'll take you out into the backyard. So the backyard here, we have an 18 by 8 covered patio here, with a fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence. And of course, being built in 2018, we have hurricane coverings on this house, so no worries there. With the side gate entry on the left-hand side of the house here. So another wonderful feature about this home that I really enjoy, the master suite here is on the main living floor, which is very convenient, just off the kitchen over here. We have a very spacious master in here. There's large furniture in here. So we have a king size bed in here. So you have plenty of room for that. And into the nice size master bath here, we have a walk-in shower, a double vanity, and a garden tub as well. So very spacious in here. We also have a linen closet in here. And so there's a really nice walk-in size closet here just off the bathroom. And then there's an additional closet in the master bedroom as well. Just over here is the second closet in the master suite. Again, this flows wonderfully right out into the kitchen. Very convenient here. Very clean in this home as well. It's ready to go. Beautifully maintained. Another feature I love is we have a second bedroom down here on the main floor. If you had, let's say, an in-law that needed to be on the main floor here, that couldn't get up and down the stairs, or you needed an office or a nursery here on this main floor, you have this bedroom as an option as well. And here's the second full bathroom down here on the main living floor. And right into the laundry room here. Nice size laundry room. Lots of room here for a folding table. You can see there's some additional shelving above as well. So very spacious here. All right, I'm going to take you upstairs. Now upstairs we have 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. There's also some walk-in attic space here, which is nice to not have to worry about those pull-down stairs if you wanted to get anything in the storage. So the attic space here is right here on the left-hand side coming up the stairs. And then we have our 2 additional bedrooms over here on the front side of the house. Nice size rooms as well in here. We have a queen size bed in this room with plenty of additional space. And into the second bedroom up here on this floor. Into the third full bathroom here. We have a nice size counter space here, single vanity, and a walk-in shower here as well. So just a really nice floor plan for families, and a really nice layout if you have in-laws that need to be on the main living floor, or if you need that nursery space again. So again, this is 10761 Trailblazer Way in Pensacola, Florida. Let us know if you have anybody who'd like to see it, or if you'd like to set up a private showing. We'd love to show you. This one's gorgeous, and it's definitely not going to last.